Imagine buying a house for just $1. Sounds impossible, right? In the 1980s, the city of New York faced a crisis. Thousands of abandoned, crumbling brownstones in Harlem, the South Bronx, and Brooklyn. To save these neighborhoods, the city made an unprecedented offer. You could buy a home for just $1 if you promised to renovate it. But it wasn't easy money. Buyers had strict conditions. They had to renovate the property within a certain time, bring it up to code, and commit to living there for a set number of years. Failure to meet the terms? The city would take the property back. Would you take on a $1 home if it meant a full renovation commitment? Despite the huge risks, hundreds of buyers said yes. They poured time, sweat, and savings into broken homes, and slowly, something incredible happened. Whole neighborhoods transformed. Today, many of those $1 properties are worth millions. This isn't just a story about cheap real estate, it's a story about vision and risk, and how housing policy can literally rewrite the future of a community. Every market, including Albuquerque, has opportunities that don't look obvious at first. Sometimes the best investment is the one no one else sees. I'm Anita Mora. If you want to spot smart moves before the rest of the market catches on, subscribe to my channel, and let's find your opportunity together.